guys, on that note, how much money you think you need for having a bank account? Your personal views. Let's start with Trisha. How much you think you need for have?
I think I need in my bank account money to cover my expenses. So I need to be careful in terms of being able to quantify it. So and then of course including the little, you know, um that line item for if I want to treat myself. Yes, there should also be something there. So the budget includes all of that. But outside of that, no, I don't think it should be in the bank account. It should be making money elsewhere because that's what the
Some
teacher said.
investments.
So that's
That
right.
so me know say yeah, you're gonna give the correct correct. I should only have enough, but is it that way really? I say really go.
No, no, seriously.
If we
Seriously.
look
And I
now,
do automate it. And that's what, because I know myself, I automate a number of things. So I just don't see it. So
oh,
as soon as it hits the account,
as
things
the
go where
pay
they
hit,
need
you
to
just
go.
have it a go. You just
Yeah.
have go. Just
Yeah.
different place. All
Hmm.
right. So right, we know, you run your thing, you run your business. Like I'm imagining, a fairly successful one based on what you're saying and clients calling you and this and that. How much money you feel you need to have in a bank account?
Oh wow, what a question. It's a that's more personal as it
Tell the
relates.
things, man, right? Tell the things. How much money you feel? When you're looking at your bank account, you ever feel nice and look on it.
About $20 million.
20 million
Yeah, about 20 million.
USJ, USRJ.
Well, at the very least, JA. I mean, at least 20
20
million.
million. So if you're looking at your bank account, you see 20 million, you're happy, you're good.
Yeah, at the very least, yes.
At
Yeah.
the very least. So minimum 20 million where log
Yeah, but
in.
those things take time. You know what I mean? It's not a 1 day thing. It takes savings. It
Or
takes
1 year or 2 year.
yeah. It takes investment. It
You're
takes
like, this is a long-term game.
yeah. It's a long term game, but you have to have money to make money. Put it that way. You know what I mean? So
Yes,
you
I
want
agree.
to at least reach there in your account. $20 million. That's my opinion. Um, but yeah, at least 20 million.
20 million. That kind of tall, man.
What about you,
Tall.
Keisha? What about
Tall.
Yes.
you?
What do you think?
Ah.
Ah,
So my thing with the money we have in your account, yes, we want to cover the bills, but here's the thing. I know there are a lot of persons. I have a lot of clients who them love just log in and see the money. Them love it because
no, I
it
find
gives
you
them
straight if I see it. Nope, nope, nope.
no them like because they feel like after all of the hard work and the people in my work and I can't take them when I look on the money I feel good. It's all worth it.
Mm.
The stress and the headache and the heartache, it's worth it. But they look on the money and them just like seeing the numbers. I always say, but is the number growing? No.
Yeah.
So the money I maintain in a checking account really and truly is to pay bills. I get my comfort in looking at my portfolio perfectly. But look on it, that's how I can always tell you about, yeah, man, all time I come on them. And so my main number I look on is profit.
Mm.
That's why the company name Profit Jumpstart because Keisha loves profit. Every
Mm.
day is like, we're there, 10,000. That's nice.
Mm.
Gone up 20,000. That's nice. That's what motivates me. I
Mm.
mainly use cards, credit card, debit card, not a cash girl. So I don't really keep money in my bank account except when the card due, just kind of pay it. But I'm a card person, just card, not really a cash person at all because it just me not gonna ever have enough cash to do what I want to do in my little purse, and I carry this like a teeny purse thing. So card is the way to go, and I get the points,
Mm.
travel rewards, and I just kind of go the way there. But my thing is the
Mm.
profit jump starter. Yeah,
Mm.
that's what I like. I see you guys nodding. I'm like,
Mm. Yes,
sound rich, though.
yeah,
Sound rich.
yes,
Just I look on profits.
that's
That's all
real.
she has
That's right,
talk
because you
about.
start with
Real.
money in order to get profit.
Mm.
Yeah, so the Patricia and IG, she saying, boy, me that spend money, spend the money me sitting at the bank account. Same like you're saying, Patricia, she does spend money, so she don't really like having that much in there. And then diplomat saying credit card, him love the credit card. Patricia don't have no credit card. Patricia, you need to have some credit cards. Why? The credit card thing is not about being in debt. I know some people feel like if I have the credit card, I can run it up. That shouldn't be your mindset. You can get a lower limit, but the key thing with the credit card is the points, the reward, right? And also with the credit cards, you get, if you set the limit low, the credit card essentially become an interest-free loan because you can't spend, but as long as you pay back the card by the due date, you're not paying any interest.
Time expenses. I know my statement dates.
It's free money. And I love Lil Kim because from the young, she teach me to say, why spend mine when I can spend yours? The good girl, let me not dolly them understand. Why am I spending my money? You need to spend for me. That is the way it should go. We need to use other people's money if we want to build wealth. We can't use our money. It's going to take too long. And by now the time to sit down and wait and may I work, I may I sweat out. There's a lot of money available elsewhere. They understand it. And they never have to read it in a book. They never have to go to school. They know the thing. Use other people's money if you want to build wealth. Right? So Cheesy, look here. Man, people got search for, so that Cheesy saying the problem I'm having is liquidity. At times I think I overinvest. The money tall up. His problem is over investing. That's a good problem to have. Good problem. Cheesy, I said, look here, I had too many investments. I over invest. It's a lot there, Having no credit card is kind of a bad thing. Patricia was asking it over IG. It's a bad thing. Why? Because credit card is an interest-free loan if you pay it back on time. It's interest-free. You want to use it because these credit cards, they incentivize you with rewards. We know some people, them not pay for no ticket, no airline ticket because their points on the credit cards allow them to travel all the time. That's what we want. Use other people money. Follow the dolly them know what them talk about. Other people money. That's what we want.